Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. At number 26, we have Michael Rubin of Fanatics, and he is on this list for reimagining licensed e-commerce sports merchandise.
Fanatics is the largest licensed sports company in the world. We operate the e-commerce businesses of the NFL shop, the NBA store, Major League Baseball store, NHL store, hundreds of individual colleges, dozens of individual soccer teams globally. It's about a $2.5 billion business. What a league wants and what a team wants is to have the best marketing brand in the world. And Nike's this incredible brand, but they don't wake up every day and go to bed every night thinking about how do I maximize every sale in the licensed sports business. So what the leagues did, and they were smart, they said, let's split this from one set of rights to two sets of rights. And let's work with Nike to be this incredible marketing partner and to really use it to drive the Nike brand and the NFL brand. At the same time, let's work with Fanatics to drive transactions. And now you've got two companies instead of one, really growing the business as much as possible. I've been firm for the last several years that my thesis is that traditionally you've had 5 broadcasters that have bid for rights, and going forward you're going to have the digital guys all enter. So you've gone from 5 guys to 10 guys that are going to be bidders for the rights. I think Amazon's done a great job with the Thursday night package. I think that's kind of been their test. Everything I'm hearing is they're really excited about how they can grow with the NFL. I'm hearing the same things out of some of the other big digital media companies. So I think as we look forward, when the new TV deals come up, I think you're going to see the digital media players be a major player for those rights. So I think there is risk to the traditional guys. They're never going to go away, but I think they're going to have a small set of rights going forward.
You may have seen Michael Rubin at a Sixers game, because I tell you what, he's been there and he's rubbing elbows with a lot of influential stars. And he really has rethought the space as it comes to sports merchandise and just the sports and entertainment world in general. You have to rethink these spaces and these businesses and these business models that have been tried and true in other eras, but we're in a whole new era. You need creative leaders such as Michael Rubin that could really rethink things and come at it in a different way. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.